My name is Karoline. I've been working at Nordkapp for 5 years. I'm working with the logistics of all boats. I do everything from the orders from the dealer to the production in Poland. I have kind of the overview of all boats ordered. I also joining the marketing team in the summer, driving and testing the boats and taking photos and videos. When a customer has bought a Nordkapp, the dealer will then put the order into my order system and we will then confirm the boat with the specification the customer wants. Then the order will go to our factory in Poland. After the boat is finished, the boat will be delivered to our dealer and the dealer will prepare the boat with engine and then deliver it to the customer. One of my biggest puzzles was when Evinrude chose to shut down the factory and we needed to change the engine to Mercury. Then we needed 20 boats before the boat shows and we needed 20 boats to take picture of each model and we needed them before the summer ends, so we had maybe 2 months to receive all and then they need to be produced and delivered to us in Norway. We managed it quite good and every boat was delivered in time and we got new pictures. In this industry it's a lot of men and as a woman here you got a lot of help if you need it. If I come with a boat on a trailer, a lot of guys come to help me, even if I can manage it by myself. But it's very nice to get help all the time. In the last few years, it's definitely been an increase in women and in the boat industry. And I think it's very nice to see that more women are driving boats and taking more part of kind of the boat life.